Now we are going to start with Karl Marx. Okay, Karl Marx was a German scholar and is known as a promoter of the theory of conflict and socialism. Now Karl Marx was a German philosopher. He promoted the theory of conflict and socialism. He was the first thinker who emphasized that historical events are influenced by economic condition. He said whatever happens in history, whatever happens in life, whatever has happened in past, it is linked to economic condition. Okay, why did we fight against, if we take for example India, okay, I'm just giving you an example, Karl Marx did not say this. Let's take for example India. Why did we fight against the British? Because Britishers એ આપણને લોકોને ગરીબ કરી લીધા હતા. આપણી ઇન્કમ, આપણી વેલ્થ ઇન્ડિયાથી લઈને ઇંગ્લેન્ડ મોકલી દેતા હતા. That is why we fought against the British to free us, right? So it was an historical event that India got freedom. So what did he say? That all the historical events in history are linked to the economic condition of the particular place. According to him, at different stages of history, social classes are formed on the basis of means of production. Okay. Now, what did he say? That in history, if you see, different stages are there in history where your social classes are formed. What are social classes formed? Upper class, middle class, lower class. Now, these classes are formed on the basis of means of production. Means of production એટલે આ classes ક્યાંથી બને છે? Industries માંથી બને છે. Okay, why? Because industries are the thing where you produce goods, you produce material, you produce toys, you produce clothes, etc. Right? So from your production, you get your classes. That is, people who own the factories are upper class, then middle class, and then people who work in the factory are your lower class people. And you get these classes from the means of production or from the development of industries which are happening. Okay? There are two classes, bourgeoisie and other is proletariat, and conflict between these two classes always continues. So what did he say? That on the basis of means of production, there are two main classes. One is the bourgeoisie and the other is proletariat. Bourgeoisie are your upper class or the factory owners, and proletariat are your lower class or your factory workers. Okay, and the conflict between these two or the fight between these two always keeps on happening again and again and again. It's something that is not going to stop. Okay. Regarding this, he has written in his Communist Manifesto about the fact, about the class theory, okay, of conflict. He has written about this in his book Communist Manifesto. Okay, the history of all heroically existing society is the history of class struggle. So what did Karl Marx say? That if you look at history of any society or of any country, you will see that it is the history or it is the struggle between the upper class and the lower class. So every society goes through this class conflict. Every society has this class conflict. So if you take any society, if you take any country, you will find this class conflict over there. This is what something which Karl Marx said. He urged the proletariat of the whole world to eliminate capitalism in order to establish a classless society. He said that all the proletariats, all the lower class people should fight against capitalism and remove capitalism and accept socialism, so that this class goes away and there is a classless society that will be found. Okay, the book Das Kapital, written by him, is popular even today. So he wrote the book Das Kapital, which is even popular in today's time. Besides sociology, his thoughts have been significant in other social sciences such as economics, political science and philosophy. So he has not just done work in sociology, but he has also done work in economics, political science and philosophy.